when I was first like making money in music, it was a time where I didn't have a car, and my mom gave me a deadline like maybe like 2 weeks. I want to say it could have been a week though, to get this money and get a car, and it was $10,000. So every day I was coming through and putting money in the top drawer. My top drawer of my mom room would be, okay, I did 4 beats. Here go $2,500. I performed here. This $3,500. This, and it just was building 1,000, 500, 700.
Yep.
So it might have been 2 weeks because I remember just a couple days, hella days coming back to back, just boom, boom, boom. And eventually I had the money to get the car, and went and got that '06 Solara that I made that album about.
Yep.
Went and bought it, hustled up that money from rapping, making beats, and doing shows, stacked it up real quick, and got that car. So that was something that I feel like was a good like saving lesson from there. It was like, but I feel like I saved the best when I have a goal.
Okay. Goals matter. Goals matter.